name's Lauren and I travel because life is short and the world is big. Today we're going whitewater rafting and rappelling, so I'm just waiting to be picked up. And I thought I'd show you all this. Look how nice our hotel is. Like that's my room there. There's a cute little area up there with some swings. And some houses. We're on the track. Corey's a bit worried because what's the tallest one we're doing? Corey's really scared about it, but he's gonna do it. He's gonna be a big boy. I've persuaded him to come here, so it's on me.
You're not allowed to film once you go down the 15.
I really want to get your face. I'm just gonna zoom in on your face. We're now in this little truck thing, or like that. We're riding shotgun. It's gonna be a good day. You did it! Okay, we're going to the next one. There are girls in the jungle. You're hungry? Yeah, I feel like I'd be sick or from the adrenaline. That one wasn't too bad though, I enjoyed that one. Oh, look at this. Here we have a wild Corey. Oh god, we're about to do this. Oh my god. Okay, here goes Corey. The wild curry. Oh my god, that was terrifying. Raw. The poshest dinosaur I've ever heard. What's your dinosaur? Yeah.
Yeah.
That was good. It's a bit more ferocious than Corey's raw. Oh my god.
It's actually quite warm, so I'm quite happy.
You ready to cool down? Oh my god. Oh my god. Our guide is crazy. He's gonna get some cannonball in the smallest pool ever.
Yeah.
That's your contribution. Yeah. Go on, Curry.
Do the rock.
Do the rock.
I love you, Daddy. A guide in this thing here, and they're making what they call a
Gracias. This is a funny job.
Hold on tight. Don't slide down. Don't slide down. Stay there. Okay. Just a little bit. I really appreciate my life.
No, it's gonna, all the water's gonna come down, I think.
Oh, yummy!
Ah, Corey! Holy shit! Oh, something's touching my leg!
Remember, stay strong.
Stay strong. Oh my god. Why?
Because the water is from Costa Rica.
Oh, Lauren! Oh, Corey, even! The Big Daddy.
The Big Papa. Waterfall repelling. Completed it, mate.
Yeah!
Yeah! We made it. Okay, so we're now at the water rafting place. Here are the rafts. And I've got the GoPro on a wrist mount, so I'm hoping I can get some good footage. But if not, there's people also filming us from the banks, so I think it's gonna be pretty good. This is class 2 and 3 rapids, but this is something on my bucket list, so I'm really excited for this. Here's everyone else. Oh, look! How cute you guys look! I love this.
1, 2, 3, do this.
Let's go!
Vamos, arriba. Back in place.
Ah. In you go! Woo, woo, woo. Vamos!
Yeah. Forward.
Lovely and dry for me.
Yeah, you can splash them.
Yeah!
The best way is like this.
Okay, we can splash them.
Or that.
So I can splash you as Refreshing. Are you feeling left out, Corey? I can't do it.
I'm alright, I'm just like, yeah. Effective. This big tree, the branch on the left, very top. See it? It's coming up.
Oh
there.
yeah, it is
Actually
a.
have a baby. See her belly?
Oh yeah.
See?
Three sloths, a vulture, iguana.
Oh, another.
They're the same species, but different family. We have this one and also.
Yeah, I'm just like behind you. Are you ready for some more? This is the big one. Woo! My first! Here's our food, here's our table. Mango, pineapple, watermelon.
A la playa, a la Rio.
Vamos a la playa.
How was the fruit?
So good, I love mango.
Mango's good, right?
Mango's my favorite.
I Yeah. All I can eat is pineapple here.
Yeah, same. We're gonna look like pineapples by the end of this. We're gonna be turn yellow.
Okay, no. Great thing we're in now. Could be in London.
In London? This is a 10. Hola! Hey!
You over here. Sit over here. Stop. You see what is next, right? You know what's next? Stop. What is next? What has happened?
It goes up?
Forward. Stop. Lean back. Lean back. Here we go. High five.
That was funny.
Not hanging, but floating around.
Woo! Ready? Bye! Woo! Floater. So we've stopped for lunch. We've got like plantain crisps, we've got chicken, rice, cinnamon rice. I don't, what's this stuff? Do you know? Yucca? Yucca, beans of course, coffee, and it's so nice here. So we're now at the La Fortuna Waterfall. Let's hope the sun comes out. So the day's not stopped yet. We literally haven't stopped since we woke up at 6 in the morning.
It's like one of these jumps.
Wait, are you doing a jump? What are you doing? Oh, I'm so confused. That was wonderful. I did one too. So I think we're going down to the waterfall. I don't know if we're swimming or not. I've still got my swimming costume on. I've heard it's really beautiful here, so I'm really excited. And then we're gonna do the volcano hike. So no rest for the wicked. We are go on this trip. If you want an action-packed trip. They're taking the piss out of me for vlogging, but they'll thank me when these are uploaded and they've got the memories. But I've seen really good things about this waterfall, and it's what La Fortuna is known for, so let's go see it. Oh my god!
No, this is the
Waterfall? Completed it, mate.
Completed it.
We may have gotten lost because we got excited by the viewpoint and we ran off.
Okay.
Oh, we found them. We nearly went the wrong way. Don't follow me.
No, how much do you think about it?
I hope they've got an escalator. I don't want to walk up these again. I've done a lot today. And we've got a hike after this. Okay, it's just got really dark. I don't know if you guys can tell. Oh my god. Damn. What are those? A little condom. Look at this, I just took. Oh, here comes the rain! Hey! I don't know if I have my waterproof, so pure vida. I didn't bring my waterproof. Oh wow, you did. Amateurs. You look so dry now. And then there's us. Jesus. I don't know if you can tell how hard it's raining. Look at that. Oh my god, it's raining so much. And we're stuck at the bloody bottom. We're stuck at the bottom. There's like 1,000 steps. I literally said, is there not an elevator? I've done my cardio today. Jesus. This is the life. Rainforest, waterfall. No rain poncho. Just got dry. Grodnya's laughing now. Oh my god. Oh, are we there yet? Jesus. All them stairs. I feel that. I've done my cardio today. Where's the lift or the escalator? That's what we need. We need one of them, or a cable car would be nice. Oh, we're gonna have to be on some bums by the end of this though. It'd be great. 15 minutes? Literally 15 minutes. And now you can hardly see it. So we... I can't stop laughing. We decided to go in this gift shop at the waterfall, and Lau was just, our tour guide was just getting a refund because we're not going to do the volcano hike because it's pissing it down the road. So we came in here shopping. The tour bus was outside and we thought that they would come tell us, or you know, something, and so we were like gift shopping basically, and
noticed we were gone.
They didn't notice we were gone and we've been left here. Like, it's kind of funny because I messaged him, was like, did you guys leave? Because we were literally at the checkout and I looked outside, I was like, there's no van, did they park somewhere? I went and checked and I was like, shit. So we're just abandoned in a gift shop now. So we're gonna do some shopping. I've messaged them because luckily I have data out here and they're coming back to get us. So, pura vida. Here they come. We're not lost anymore. Take me home, Mum. Alright guys, I just got back to the hostel, hotel, I don't really know what to call it at this point. I only just got back. It is like 6 o'clock I think. So I've literally been out 12 hours, like all day. I just went and did a little bit of gift shopping. I think the last time I spoke to you guys, we just got back on the bus, so they did come back for us. They did realize and come back. It was so funny, like I was laughing so hard. We then got back into La Fortuna and we just did a bit of gift shopping. I got the cutest little gifts and like sloth. Look at him, I love him so much. I need to name him. It's got little magnets in its hand. It's so cute. I got some stickers and like I got a pop socket because we all know mine got dropped on the bridges, mentioning no names, Miguel. I'm joking. It was coming off anyway, guys. So funny. So I've replaced my pop socket finally. And then I went to visit the hostel I stayed at when I first started this trip, so Posh Packer. Again, I can't recommend this place enough. Milton, the bartender, got so much love for him. He's such a lovely guy. I went to visit him, like he was messaging me on Instagram, like, you're back in La Fortuna, come see me. So I went to visit and I took one of the girls there and we got free shots. So that was fun. I'm probably gonna go back in a bit. I'm about to shower and get ready for our meal tonight, and we're gonna watch the Super Bowl. It's the Super Bowl tonight, so very excited. I will show you actually my dress that I'm gonna wear. I don't know if you can see it that well. Maybe I'll show you when it's on. I'll show you when it's on. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I have got ready to go out. Here is my dress. It is from Bershka, and it's my favorite dress ever. It's so cute. I love it. So I'm wearing this. I'm gonna wear some black strappy shoes. I don't think I'm gonna wear heels. And yeah, I've done my makeup. I've done kind of like sunset eyes. So So yeah, I'm now about to go out. I think I'm gonna end this video here. I think it's quite a long one. But thank you guys so much for watching and coming along on this crazy journey with me. That's 2 things off my bucket list today, which I've had the best day ever. And I hope you guys have enjoyed coming along with me on my crazy adventures. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, because I have so much more to come, so many more adventures planned. So keep traveling, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!